Hello, you are again welcome on KP Edu Mathematics. Today we do some advanced questions in compound interest. First of all, you see this table for rate. If compounded annually, if compound interest is reckoned annually, then yearly rate is 5%, 8%, 10%, 12%, and 20%. If a compound interest is compounded half yearly, then this rate will be 5 by 2%. This rate will be 8 by 2%, that is 4%. This 10% will be 10 by 2%, that is 5%. This will be 12 by 2%, that is 6%. और ये 20 by 2% mean 10%. If compound interest is reckoned quarterly, मानी थर्ड मंथली compound interest compound होता है, then interest rate will be 5 by 4%, 8 by 4%, that is 2%. This will be 10 by 4%, that is 5 by 4%. 12 by 4% mean 3%. 20 by 4% that is 5%. अगर कंपाउंडेड क्वार्टरली है तो इंटरेस्ट रेट होंगे 5 by 4%, 8 by 4 2%, 10 by 4 यानी 5 by 2%, 12 by 4 3%, 20 by 4 5%. This is the table for rate. If see for the time, number of years, half year to number of half years will be 1 by 2 into 2, that is 1 half year, mean 1 छमाही. 3 by 4 years, you change this in half years semi-annually. If compounded semi-annually or half yearly, then time will be 3 by 4 into 2, that is 3 by 2 half years. 3 by 2 half years mean छमाही. 1 year mean 1 into 2 यानी 2 half years or 2 छमाही. This is 3 by 2 years into 2, that is 3 half years mean 3 छमाही, and 2 years mean 2 into 2, that is 4 half years यानी 4 छमाही. If compound interest is compounded quarterly mean तिमाही, then time will be 4 times years. Half years into 4, that is 2 quarters. 2 quarters mean 2 तिमाही. 3 by 4 into 4, that is 3 quarters. And 1 year into 4, that is 4 quarters. 1 year में 4 quarters होते हैं, 4 तिमाही. And this is 3 by 2 year into 4 यानी 6 quarters, 6 तिमाही. 2 years into 4, that is 8 quarters यानी 8 तिमाही. रेट एंड टाइम में ये चेंज होगा if compound interest is semi-annually or quarterly calculated. Now there is a sum. Find the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest on rupees 16,000 or 1.5 years at 5% per annum. Compound interest is compounded half yearly. This is calculated half yearly. So solution, first of all, simple interest. Simple interest is calculated P into T into R upon 100. P principal is 16,000 into T time is 3 by 2 years into rate is 5% upon 100. So this is equal to, if 2 zeros cancel होगा, this is 2 1 and this is 8 80. So this is equal to rupees 1200. 1200 is simple interest. Compound interest. For compound interest, since this is compounded annually, half yearly, so time will be 1.5 years, that is 3 by 2 into 2 half years mean 3 half years, and rate is 5% per annum. This will be 5 upon 2% half yearly. Formula for amount is A P 1 plus R upon 100 power n. This is formula. P is here rupees 16,000. 1 plus R. R is 5 by 2%. 200 power n. N is 3 half years, 3. So this is equal to rupees 16,000. 5 1 times, 5 20 times. So this is 1 plus 1 upon 40 power 3. This is equal to 16,000. And this is 41 upon 40 cube is equal to 16,000 into 41 into 41 into 41 upon 40 into 40 into 40. ये 1 2 3 0 ये कैंसिल होगा 16 4 into 4 16 से यहाँ होगा 4 41 41 41. This is 68,921 upon 4 and this is equal to 17,230.25. This is amount. So compound interest is equal to A minus P. A is 17,230.25 minus principal is 16,000. So this is equal to 1,230.25. Difference. Simple interest or compound interest में difference. This is compound interest minus simple interest. Compound interest is 1,230.25 minus this is 1,200. So rupees 30.25 is the difference between compound interest and simple interest. Thank you.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification of latest videos.